Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the back cover on an SM-R820 watch. So let's begin. First, I like to grab the watch, give it some good amount of heat, just to loosen up the glue underneath there. So when you try to pry it up, it doesn't rip or tear that seal that's there. So now I take a 3-point screwdriver. It's a 2.0 by 0.25 millimeter screwdriver, and just unscrew the 4 screws on each side. Next, what I like to use is the flathead, but then once I lift it up a little bit slightly to not scratch the outer housing, I like to use this plastic pry tool. So like I will show right now, pry it up slightly. I can use the plastic tooling to make my way around. And make sure you pull up slightly to not rip the ribbon, and so the screw holders don't break or bend. Try to pull it up upwards, not to the side, not to any side, just upwards. So next, I like to still use the tool, and I like to take this ribbon apart with it. I like to make sure the screws still stay in their spot. Next I like to just make sure that I didn't unplug anything. Make sure that everything's still plugged in and secure. And once we unplug the ribbon, go ahead and get the replacement back housing. And make sure when you plug the ribbon back in for the HR monitor, make sure that it's plugged in all the way and it's not going to come out. And then I like to check it to see if the seal is broken. If the seal is broken around, you can see that light blue seal. If it is broken, then you would have to use, we sell a 704 glue, which is really nice. It has a good cure time and it just seals it very, very nicely. But like this being said, this doesn't need it because it's a brand new back housing. So what we're going to do is we're going to close it back with the 4 screws, use the 3-point screwdriver. Alright. And that is how you replace a back housing on an SM-R820 watch. And this is how you replace the back housing on an SM-R820 watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.